These are not bad. Baka iniisip niyo po na panikiyan, then you are wrong. It's a bird. It's a bird.
It's a plane.
Ibon po yan. I will show you the bats din po. Don't worry. After 1 minute, nasa sa isang lugar kung saan there are thousands bats. Alright? Can you give me 1 more minute? Great. Good. Your timer starts now. Ayan. Kasi po, isa talaga inisip nila na paniki po yung lumilipad, pero hindi nga po eh. Ibon lang po talaga yan. At napansin niyo po ba yung ibon maingay? Kasi po, they cannot find their way in the dark. Kasi po, hindi sila tulad ng bat na magaling po mag-radar. Pero sa sounds po, na-develop na din nila ito. Dito sila nagde-nesting. Mayroon silang pugad po na pwedeng gamitin ang materialis na yon para makabuo ka ng isang exotic na mga delicacy sa Chinese cuisine. Yun yung bird's nest soup. Exotic food. Ika nga. Pero hindi dito yung kinukuha kasi nga bawal po dito yan. Alright, that 1 minute is over. Tingnan nyo na po ang mga bat. Sa right side, napakarami nila.
Ay, ang dami na yun.
See, I told you. Bats are everywhere. Tingnan niyo po. Once you look up, don't open your mouth. Ayun, you will have your early lunch. From the popo of this batch. Yuck, that's so kaderder. Opo, I'm a bit worried, ma'am. I'm not sure if every time these dripping around are just water. Sometimes these are bat shit.
Bad shit.
That's right, shit happens here.
Galing ha. I like you.
Of course, I knew it because look at me, I'm full of shit. Huh? Kanina pa akong umaga, boss eh. Hanggang ngayon, 4 na biyahe ko na po ito, kaya puro tayo na ako. But at least, ma'am, I learned a lesson, something about it. When you are on a deep shit, keep your mouth shut. Tama ba? Tama po ako. Tama ba ako o may tama ako? Whatever.
Whatever. Wow.
Hindi po. It's alright, ma'am. I can manage. Just leave it to me. Opo, kayang-kaya ko yan. 18 years na po akong bankero dito. Kaya, kabisado ko na po ang